G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Crafted by Tim. Just a short little video for you guys today. I've got the forge running. Today we're going to try and melt down some brass bullet casings. These are 22 bullet casings that I had a friend give me, and he crushed them all so they comply with WA state laws. That's the 22 bullet casing. Just crushed the end that has a primer inside it, so I'm not sure how well this is going to work. This probably isn't going to work at all because I'm not using anything conventional. This tripod is actually really heavy for its size, so it's making my arms sore. I'm going to be using this stainless steel 1 cup measuring cup that I got from Kmart for I don't even know how much, but I'm going to use that, some of the brass bullet casings, the old parts from the forge. I don't know, maybe I'll have enough brass, and we're not pouring a conventional shape. This is what we're pouring! So I've seen a lot of people cast wood with aluminium and that sort of things, as well as tin and lead and stuff like that. And the reason why I think they use those sorts of metals is because they have a really low melting temperature. Brass has a significantly higher melting temperature. Will you guys, for like 3 minutes? No. Okay, so hopefully this will work. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll just burn off all the wood. I don't know what's going to happen. If it does work, it's going to look pretty cool, and hopefully I'll be able to use it in future videos and stuff like that. But first things first, I got to heat up my crucible, which is the 1 cup thing, stainless steel pot, and then I have to charge the crucible with the brass. I don't know whether or not this is going to work. Hopefully it works. Hope you guys enjoy. Maybe this will be a thing. Okay, so now comes the fun part of trying to decipher what actually went wrong. I have no idea, because there's so many things that I didn't do really well. Like, for instance, my sand was just dirt that I had lying around. I was trying to cast it into a weird shape. Yeah, nah, I don't think that worked at all. But something that I wanted to have a little bit of play with, is this still hot, was forging it, because I thought, you know, why not be able to forge it? And so I put it in and I let it heat up for a bit, and then when I went to take it out, it just sort of crumbled. It's really weird. I don't understand really what happened there. Yeah, that's the rest of it there. Maybe it was because I had borax in there at the same time. I could probably bury this now and be like, oh look, I found gold. But no, in all seriousness, that was a complete failure. So yeah, that's interesting. Don't really know what to do now. I'm also kind of concerned that when I went to pour it, it was letting off a lot of green flame. And that's usually a sign that it had zinc in it. if don't ever do this, but if you burn something galvanized, it lets off a yellow smoke and a green flame, or even a yellow flame. That's really bad for you, so I am kind of concerned. I'm not sure whether or not brass contains zinc. I think brass actually contains copper though. Maybe it's the copper, because copper can turn a flame green. I don't know. I'm gonna reach out to you guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think went wrong, and what should I do to make this better? The only reason why I'm doing this now is because I'm working on a bunch of other projects, and I recently got some ceramic wool, so if I was going to absolutely destroy the inside of my forge, which didn't really happen, but if I did, then I've got some ceramic wool to reline the inside, which I'm probably just gonna lay in anyway. That was interesting. That was still a learning experience. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this. I think I'm just gonna chuck this on the back burner and see whether or not you guys have any ideas what I can do to improve. Maybe I should try some different metals. I have access to aluminium and copper. I think copper's gonna be more difficult because it needs a higher temperature to melt. Yeah, I can get more aluminium, so if you guys think that I should go down this rabbit hole, let me know. Maybe I'll do something more in that sense. I'll look into getting proper crucibles, and maybe a proper crucible with a lid, and I'll see whether or not I can do something like that. That would be kind of cool. I don't know. But anyway, let me know what you think, and if you like this sort of thing, maybe subscribe, because I've got some cool things in the Pipeworks, and I don't know, maybe there will be more of this. But in the meantime, remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.